say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar.
Yo, what up, chat? What up, what up?
I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom
Recording
come.
in progress.
Every on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living
What
in
is
my
good?
shame
What is
like
good?
the Father
Welcome
didn't
in.
save you.
Welcome,
But I know
welcome.
even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break
Welcome
you.
in, welcome in.
Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
W's in the chat.
Glory to the
Let's go.
Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me
Let's
to
go.
your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
All right, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are well. Good to see you. Good to see you. Got a trades in the house. What up, got a trade? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Yes, sir. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? OGH. What up, OGH? What up, J Coop? Wokey in the building. What up, Gregski? Happy Thursday, everyone. We got ADP coming in here today. What's good? What's good? What up, Captain? Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? What up, White Shark? George VDM, what's goody? What's goody? Mr. Lopez is here. What's good? What's good? Eric P in the building. What up, Eric P? What up, Ryan? What up, Michael? 3 Ants in the building. Louis G in the house. What up, Louis G? Top G, Top G. All right, AB Mike is in the house talking about Top G's. What's up, Billy's Lost? What up, Jay Deezy? Ty Hill in the building. Jason in the house. What up, Jason? Got a trade. How are you doing today, sir? Good morning, DT Gamer. All right, let me send this Zoom link out, and then we're gonna get started. Xander's in the building. What up, big dog? How you doing, bro? How you doing? All right, Zoom links out. All right, we lit. All right, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy, man, what is today? Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are well. Welcome to another New York session. I'm going to pray for you guys real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and get started, all right? Let's pray real quick. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you for a new day where we can come together and gather as a community, Lord, as a team. We welcome you, Lord. We welcome your presence. We pray that you would go amongst us. We know that everything that we touch, Lord, when we're with you is blessed, Lord. So we thank you for it. We thank you for making our path straight, Lord, and we just give you all the glory for pouring blessings upon us, even when we don't see them. They're all over the place, Lord. So we thank you for them, and we just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. Let's rock and roll here. Let's rock and roll. Let me grab my tools. Bam, we good. And move my chat. What up, Zoomers? What up, what up? Okay. Let's do it. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and get the day started. What up, PM Magnifico? Dropout traders in the house. Hey, all the heavy hitters are here, man. Richard Lewis in the building. Nightbot's here. Oh, new guy in the building. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoy the stream here today. If you have any questions, send them in the chat, and hopefully we can help you out here on your trading journey. Yeah, welcome in, welcome in. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. So taking a look at the day in front of us, today is Thursday, right? Is the 5th day of September. And it's another day, man. Another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be patient in the markets. We've got some red folder news coming in, and we're going to probably sit tight on news and then kind of execute when we get the result here on these numbers. But we do have heavy news coming in here at 8:15, which is going to be ADP. So you got ADP coming in, followed by NFP tomorrow. You also have this ISM PMI stuff coming in later at 10 a.m. So as you can see, we're in the news all day here today. So we got news all day. You know, we ran the statistics on how we do during red folder news days, and the results were staggering. We're about 80, I think it was 87% hit rate on red folder news days, and it's no surprise. I mean, we are volume hunters as traders, so red news days are good days for us, and we welcome them, and we love the volume that they bring. So we're gonna sit tight here. We're gonna be observers of the market today, and if and when our opportunities come and our playbook shows off itself, then that's when we'll execute. Cool. So enjoy observing today. Don't have any expectation in mind. Let's just play the markets that's in front of us. Cool. Morning, Zoomers. What up, what up? What's good? Welcome in, welcome in. Can you guys, let me get music for you guys real quick. All right, you guys can hear the music? Let me know. Good, awesome. All right, so that's the plan today. Let's go ahead and jump into the technicals and let's see what we got. Let's do a fresh top-down analysis and get this party started. Chala, what's good, brother? Chala in the house. What up, King Tuffa? Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here as we settle in and do the breakdown, all right? Cool, cool. All right, let's get this started. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Let's start here because there's some interesting things happening, right? So obviously the entire week, right, if we kind of zoom out on the weekly, you've been pushing up. So we've been very bullish here on the weekly time frame with gold up until, you know, right around these areas where we started to range a little bit. So we started ranging in these zones and, you know, just consolidated for a bit. And then finally you had candles break out. We created all new highs. You had this massive bullish candle right here. Push up, close with like no top wick. And then next thing you know, we had resistance formed here. So we had a resistance formed. Let me show you guys on Oanda. It just looks a little cleaner on that chart. So here it is. So you had resistance formed here, right? No wick, small doji type candle, bearish candle creating resistance. And then now you've filled the wick here. So you had a resistance form here. You had a wick to fill. Price came down, filled that wick, did its job, never pushed through, but actually rejected. So we actually moved back up, and now, believe it or not, this weekly candle has flipped bullish here. So very interesting as we creep into the New York session here today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on with this. So as you guys can see, we kind of had this this zone here, not yesterday, but this was 2 days ago. You had this candle push down. This was the candle that filled the wick on the weekly. You see this daily candle here? That wick is your weekly low, right? Yesterday, we ended up pushing down again, actually breaking the low and coming down to retest the zone. But again, rejection right back up, flips bullish, and then we actually closed bearish yesterday on yesterday's daily candle, and that leaves us with a brand new support now. So we've got a brand new support level on the daily time frame here, and that means that we should run up and retest the highs here. Seems like that's what we're doing, right? We haven't really created much of a bottom wick. We're just continuing to push up. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the 4-hour chart so we can get some more information here. So wow, yeah. London was interesting today. London was interesting. You had this support clearly just form right there, right? So we pushed through all these highs. The issue with London is we were in these rejection zones the entire time. We'll take a look at that on the lower time frame here in a bit, but you have closed above the range here, right? Therefore, we should continue up. Now, if we were going to measure this range, right? So if we were going to actually, this range right here, if we were to say, okay, this is our range, this closure, would you consider that middle, top, bottom of the range? What would you say? I'd say middle, right? I'd say right around the middle. So very tough to trade in the middle of the range because it's 50-50, right? 50% it could go down, 50% it could go up here. So we really want to identify what's happening with this new 4-hour candle here, so we can get an idea of what we want to do in terms of the ranges that we want to look at here today. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's start to identify what's happening in this 4-hour candle. So you pushed up all through London here today, all through this resistance level, and ended up just juicing up here. So now we're coming into this range. If we look left, we can see that there is somewhat of a like range here. If we look right around these levels, you have, you know, a couple things going on right here. See this? This is all within that specific zone there. So we could be in this rejection zone. We may fade off here. We may not. We got 17 minutes left on this 1-hour candle, and that'll bring us into NY open here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute. Let's identify what some of these wicks represent. A lot of wicks here. These have to be like supports and things of that nature on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. So this is what we got here. So you got a support sitting at 25.14, which we haven't been able to push through yet. So maybe we can push through there, close below, and if you do, you've got clean traffic running all the way down to 25.05 here, right? You have a resistance right here. Let's look left. Let's make sure there's no sneaky little dudes over here. Yeah, like this guy. Let me take a look at this on the futures chart really quick. One sec. All right, so we got support here. We have resistance up top. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Okay, yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. So that's our resistance. We have another resistance up here, but it's going to be about 30 pips away. So we'll see, man. We'll see what's going to happen. I think we talked about this in Asian or London, that we would kind of range right down here a bit and then eventually break out and then just range right until news. So that's pretty much exactly what happened. You had one or two nice pushes up, and now we're just ranging here. So I wouldn't touch this until ADP arrives, and then that should give us some direction, and then we can begin to move about our business from there. So that's what I've got going on here as of 7:43 a.m. I'm gonna wait for NY open, ADP news to come out, and then we mob. Cool. Simple stuff right now. Simple stuff. Just wait for the news. So 4-hour is technically still bullish. Daily's still bullish, right? So I am open to taking buys here above these resistances on the 30-minute time frame. And sells, we should be, let me see something here. Yeah, you're breaking the lows here on the sells, so I would be interested in closures below. Yeah, because we've been pumping up for quite some time now. I think we need a pullback. Some sort of a nice pullback here. This is a beautiful range right here. This is like a, what is this? This is like a 90 pip range. So I like this. I like this. So that is that's the day as of right now, and then maybe we'll adjust these zones here at some point after NY open. Let's do this. Perfect. You got plenty of range here to go. Plenty of range. Let me bring this one down. Boom. All right, that's it. That's the day. So pretty simple today. You know, just stay out of the zone. Don't take trades until the news release is up, and then stay away from what we got going on here. And anything down here is good. Anything up here is pretty good as well. That's where the money's at. Money, money. And then this could cause depression. Cool. All right, perfect. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. It keeps getting simpler day by day. Music to my ears, bro. Music to my ears. That's what we're here for. We're here to show you a very simple way to approach the markets. Most of the time, we're just doing too much. You know, we're doing too much when trading. A lot of times, less is more. And you know, we hope we could be that example of just a very simplistic approach to the market, mixed with some professionalism, and you know, hopefully it helps you guys. What's up, futures, Frank? Did we get flooded? Not yeah, I think Tampa was pretty bad. Yeah. How about you? How about you? Flooded or what? Flooded. Yeah, we got plenty of range here today. You know, looking at the daily too, it's like, are we... So, yeah, we've kind of pushed through it at this point. So, we still got room on the daily. Still got room. So, I'm open for both buys and sells here today. Perfect. Let's see here. Let's see. What's up, Clay Way? Ecom Dre in the building. What up, Ecom Dre? How we feeling, man? What's up, Randall? For sure, brother. Definitely. Definitely. You know, there's a story in the Bible where Jesus fed the 5,000, right? And then he said, I need some time. I want to go hang out and chill and pray and talk with, you know, and he sent the disciples out. And he said, go over to the other side of the lake. I'll meet you over there. And all of a sudden, you know, there was a big storm, and these guys started quaking, bro, quaking. And almost as if Jesus just didn't feed 5,000 people with almost nothing. Almost as if there wasn't any miracles already taking place and happening in their life. Right? And what they didn't realize was they already had, like, while they were in the boat, the bread was sitting right there. Right? The bread that was made from pretty much nothing was sitting right in the boat. Right? The miracles of their life was sitting right there next to them. They were still doubting. Still doubting. Right? So just trust it. Trust it. Count the blessings and move on. Certain things might be going upside down, but I'm sure there's a lot of great things in your life to be thankful for. Like your ears that you're hearing this with, and your eyes that you're seeing it with, and everything in between, man. 8 hours away from a 25-hour flight. Holy. Where are you going, bro? Where you going? 25 hours. What up, Sandman? How you feeling? TK, how you doing, man? How you doing? He's going to the moon. My man's going to outer space. What up, Zoomers? How you guys feeling? Okay, King Tuffa. Hit a little profit. Hit a little profit. Can't wait for Saturday to give you my charts. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'd love to review some, maybe one or two charts. Or maybe we'll do a trade breakdown on Saturday in the clubhouse. Yeah, Saturday in the clubhouse, we're gonna be doing some lessons on higher time frames mixed or correlating with lower time frames and breaking down candles and all that good stuff. And then maybe we could do like one or two traders trade review. And yeah, we'll make it a nice, effective, and productive class. Phenomenal. Let's go. I like it. Music? You got what? Music's too loud? Talk to me. Talk to me. How long was I profitable before I went full-time trading? So I never went full-time trading, ever. You know, still to this day, I'm an entrepreneur before I'm a day trader. So I've always been having multiple streams of income. You know, whether they were big streams of income or not is a different story. But I never put all my eggs in one basket, if that makes sense. And I didn't have everything in check when I quit my job. I'm a little bit different than most people. Again, I've always been an entrepreneur, so I've always had something going on, something coming in, and I just banked on little stuff. You know, I basically burned the boats and, you know, went all in and just banked on a couple little side hustles to provide for my bills and just went all in on studying. Yeah, it took me about 2 years to really kind of get in the markets, lose money, do all that stuff. And then about 2 years in is when I found Raja, and then I started studying his system. Probably lost money for like another 6 months, but then after that, it was pretty much go time from there. So about 2.5 years it took me to really kind of catch some traction. Hey, what's up, Madison? Madison Dukes. What a name. W. I like that name. My one problem is I'm actually executing and exiting trades. The exit is more to do with top one's rules. Yeah, well, that's the issue. So once you go funded, you have to play with the funded company's rules. You know what I mean? So everyone's goal should be to get funded, get payouts, and then see how you can dump that money into your own cash account. So that way you don't have to trade with those rules. You know, you can trade with your own rules. You can do what you want to do as a trader and be independent. But if you don't have capital and you have to rely on the funded company for right now, then you have to play by their rules. You ever heard like your mom or dad, as long as you're living under my house, you'll be on my rules? You know what I mean? That's how the funded companies put the pressure on traders. So when you're finally when you're outside of that realm, it's a totally different vibe. So set some goals to eventually have yourself a cash account, and that way you can be free to trade as you please. Yeah. 100 more for 40K. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, if you guys are new here, we welcome you. If you can, sub to the channel and give the stream a like here. Give it a like. Give it a like. What up, Zoomers? OGH. Making my bookshelf look like mini me. Damn, son. TK. My man. What up, Project Toro? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Ricky. What's good, brother? J Mac in the house. What up, J Mac? So, yeah, price gonna range here for a bit. You can take my word for it, or you can just, you know, trade this. But price gonna range up until about 8:15 here today. Crypto Madden in the building. What up, Crypto Madden? Shout out to all you guys. You know, we're on the cusp here of 40K, and you know, there's been a bunch of you guys that have been here since we were at 4K. So shout out to all you guys who have been here for a hot minute now and just enjoying the ride together, and having some fun and trading really well and impacting lives and just becoming one as a community. It's been such a cool last year and a half to have watched this thing grow and take on a life of its own. And I'm so proud of the guys that are hanging out with me in the clubhouse and really getting an opportunity to shine. And a lot of these dudes take the mentorship really well and they act on it, and that's why they're getting good results. So cheers to 40K once it happens, and on to 50 and then 100. We worldwide, baby. We worldwide. Green's in the house. What up, Green? Green remembers when there was 4. Never mind 4,000. Never mind 40,000. The Great Commission is taking place in front of your eyes. As if you haven't noticed, the Lord's doing a work in here through trading. And it's been an absolute blessing to just be a part of it. Talk to me, Green. Talk to me. Talk to me. Charts for stream? Yeah, we'll take a look at charts for stream. We've got some time here, so let's take a look. First few days of the clubhouse, positive vibes. Yeah, man, it's been great. Clubhouse has been great. Gem. If you guys want to come gem hunting outside of the live stream, there's been nothing but gems dropped in the clubhouse. So I would go to the website, sign up for it, enjoy your time, and get your questions answered so you can move on in your life and get closer to those dreams and goals that you have set for yourself. Charts for stream. Let's take a look. Appreciate you, Travis. Thanks, man. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, that's right. You do get a plaque from YouTube at 100K, right? Yeah. So tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell their friends, to tell all their grandmamas and all the mamas to sub to the channel. All right, charts for stream. All right, let's see what we got here. So London buys. 30-minute onion play here. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Yeah, this was a range. I think I had this range marked off just as a no trade range here last night. But yeah, this was very nice. Price just juiced on up. BE point, okay. Partials right here. W, yeah. Yeah, you see how price kept going and going and going and going. It'd be unrealistic to think, oh, I could have been in that whole move, right? It'd just be unrealistic because you'd be out right here, 80%. Cool. Let's move this over. All right, let's see. What is this? Hold on, I got like 9 things open here. 1 sec. All right. Okay, cool. So price was in a range consolidating. Many guys took this trade as an onion. Was it valid? Took buys here. As I mentioned, that was a no trade range for me. So was it valid? I don't determine that. You know what I mean? That was a support. It did move up. It did retest the highs. I think this was like a 20 pip range or so. So if that's your range and that's your move, then that's your move. I don't think it's, valid or not valid. I didn't have buys here because I was waiting for closures above. So that's kind of my thoughts on it. I didn't take that, but it's not to say it's a bad move. This was actually really good. I mean, you had a beautiful support form and then just a nice push up after creating that lower wick there. So that was nice. Pretty nice move. Yeah, if you caught it, good work. Good work, good work. Okay, what's this? Oh my God, this man's everywhere. 430 fade. Holy. 315 celery. Holy. Yo, this guy's everywhere. 4 a.m. breakout, man. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice. I didn't like these buys. I know price really pushed up pretty nicely here in London. But I really didn't like the buys. There was way too much resistance everywhere for me to take buys anywhere in this overall zone. So I stayed away from that. We had sell stops right here, I think. Yeah, right here at one point, but they never got activated. Yeah, but those are my reasons for staying out there. Is I didn't really like those We were in a very heavy area of resistance on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. So I just let those go, but this worked out really, really well. Good job, man. This man's all over the place. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, G. Time to eat. Let's go. Let's go. Who is this? Harsh? W Harsh. No. PM Magnifico? Both of you guys. Great job. All right, Wokey. Let's see what we got here, Wokey. So we got breakout play. Let's see here. Entered on the 15 minute after seeing a breakout to the downside. Took my entry on the break of the current candle low. Okay. Got stopped out. Would you have taken the same trade? If not, why? If yes, why? Anything I could have done better with this position? Okay, cool. So we're taking sells, right? Sells here. Can I zoom in on this? I don't think I can. So if you're going to take sells here, right, what you want to do is you want to, where is this? You want to draw yourself a new range, right? So you say, okay, let me get a better color here. So you draw yourself a new range, right? Because clearly price is rejecting that area. And instead of taking like the impulse type of trade or anything like that, you wait for a candle to close below here now. So maybe what'll happen is price will range for a little bit in that area. So you'll get like new supports, right? Things like that. Just maybe messing around there. And then once you close back below, now you have a much more valid setup there, right? Because now you officially close below all that, and then you have the money trade, right? Price coming down, and you know, plan your trade and do your thing from that point. But yeah, I think it was just a little too early. Little too early. Yeah, and I'm not sure. Yeah, this was your entry. Yeah, so a breakout. So in order to get the breakout, you would need one of these candles to actually close below that support at that point. Yeah, but hopefully that helps. Once you get that, you have a brand new, so what happens there is you have a brand new resistance and then a brand new breakout, right? I feel like I've been drawing this play over and over and over again here. So like you get this bam, right? And then you get a candle to close below here. And now what you have is you have a brand new resistance, right? Being formed right here. Plus, if there's a support here now, you're breaking below it and closing below it. So that should indicate volume coming in, and then that's where you want to take your trade on that next candle. Yeah, so wait for the confirmation next time. Confirmation candle right here, and then trading candle right there. Cool. All right, let's take a look at this one. Let's see. Was this a good trade? Let's see. Sells right here. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, you were looking for that pullback, resistance formed. It looks like the 4 hour was bearish, and we were coming up to make a new wick or pullback or something like that. Trying to make this like higher low here, and yeah, not bad. I think the top wick's a little sketchy, but not bad. Not bad trade. And then the impulse. Nice. Nice. Yeah, if you guys have trades and you want to send them in charts for stream. We'll take a look at them, give them a review, and see what we can learn from them. All right, cool. So still ranging. NY opens here. 10 minutes here for news, so should be good for 8:30. Been talking for like the last 2 days here. And my farmer buddy's away till Friday, and I got no raw honey. Nothing. Nothing. He left me for dead, man. I said, what you mean Friday? The volume of the music is high? Is it? I feel like it's pretty low. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, exactly, Wokey. Just that's when you draw a fresh new range. So now you draw a fresh new range there, and now you say, hey, any closures below that support level, I will look for sells. But until then, I'm just gonna wait. They did leave some cow. Nah, I actually had to go to the supermarket to get all my steaks. Luckily, they were doing a Labor Day sale too. I got it for like 10 bucks a pound, man. I got these like 26 ounce steaks for like literally like $15. I bought the whole supply. They had to like come back out and restock the shelf. I'm just like, I'm just gonna take all of these. The guy's like, "Oh, don't make no difference to me." Raw honey and salt. Yeah, that's the pre-workout. Ecom Dre knows about it. Ecom Dre be knowing. Gold waiting for news. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what's happening here. Let me look left here. I want to check something out. This is a little bit optimistic up here, which I like optimistic, but I'm going to move this down for the temporary range here. This is probably our first target. Same thing here. Boya. Stephen B, how we feeling, bro? How we feeling? It does look a little choppy on the bullish side. It does, it does. Where would you set your break-even point and partials and all that? So probably, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So for me, this would be probably my partial TP would be this minor resistance right here. It's 30 pips away. 30 pips away, and then I could see price kind of filling that wick up there and tapping into more of this, like, you know, more valid area. So yeah, that's like 50 pips away. So like I like this 30 pip zone, this little area here to take partials at. Yeah, it's because very clean right up until there. Back and forth, back, up and down, up and down. We talked about this in Asian session last night. You guys remember? We said, hey, we'll probably just make a massive push. It's either going to happen in Asian or London. And then we'll push, and then it won't be any like drops or any like fades or anything. It'll just consolidate in a new area. So that's exactly what happened, right? We kind of went from this zone here, right? Messed around here for not that long, a few minutes, and then now we're up here just consolidating. So last night these are our Asian zones right here, and then price pushed up, and now we're up here. So this is when we want to just erase all the markups from here and draw fresh markups where current fresh price actions printing. Oh, my bad. All right. We got that 30 resistance to the left. Oh, at 49, yeah. Oh, what happened there, Scott? I missed the combo. Cut the loss. Nice, nice. Yeah, cut your losses if you're in drawdown now and buys or whatever. Just I would cut your loss here. You never know where price is gonna go here. Yeah, there's a big difference. There is, man. Oanda's been quaking a bit here, so I've noticed that Oanda's been a bit faulty over the past couple weeks here. So what I've really decided to do, because all you can do is decide to and choose to pick which one, right? And then just live with that. So because this is the more accurate chart, this is paid data right here from the futures market, I'm gonna go with this chart, but I'll keep OANDA up so I can tell you guys, you know, like my zones here, I could just tell you, you know, it's gonna be 25.14 and 25.17, right? So I'm gonna leave it there, but my analysis is strictly gonna go off of this futures chart, because this is gonna be your more valid chart here. Any updates on top one? Yeah, the competition. Yes, I think did we give updates yesterday? Yeah, maybe we'll get a TK. Maybe can update us at some point throughout the session and see where we're at. FXCM is better than OANDA. Yeah, that's what I heard. That's what I heard. Yeah, cells actually do look pretty nice, man. The 4-hour candle too, very little to no bottom wick and just aggressively pushed up. Bro, Zoom is deep. Holy. Oh, nice. Very, very nice. Sell by FX. Alright, now I feel like the music's a little too loud. This song here is just... What up, Melvin? What's good, what's good? See Melly in the house. What up, bro? Let's see, how to know when traffic to the left is clean, or is it exhaustion wicks and stuff? Yeah, typically you see how like you have a very clean candle coming down here. So this is like clean traffic, where something like let's say you're taking buys, you want to take buys like let's say right here or even like right here. You see how it's very choppy on the way up, very, very choppy here. So that's not clean traffic. When you get above all this, then you have a nice clean range coming up. So that's what you want to see. You want to see ranges where price didn't struggle at all to move, right? You see how price here, just no struggle whatsoever. That's why you're effortlessly moving up into that point right here, right? So you want to look for those clean ranges, because then you're going to have clean pushes. It's almost like candles over here, look and see what their friends over here did, and then they can move accordingly in those ranges. So you see how like this zone here, super choppy, even over here, super choppy, right? It's like very choppy in this area. So yeah, nice clean ranges is what you're looking for when you're trying to fill the range. Let's see here. Where can you share your diet? Yeah, I typically just tend to eat like a whole food diet. Just that's it. They call it carnivore-ish, I would say. Carnivore-ish. So I'll stick with mainly like whole food, animal-based diet, and then, you know, I'll have some carbs and stuff. My wife is Dominican, so you know the vibes. You know, I gotta eat some rice and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it. Just eat real food. That's my diet. I just eat real food. I stay away from fake, like manufactured stuff. Unless I'm going to Crumble. Nobody knows nothing. Maybe once every 2 months, hit up Crumble. Oh yeah, there it goes. Here's the news. So pushing up right away, and then there is some. Yeah, look at that. Pushed up, tapped into that target. Let's see what we do from here. So I'll probably sit tight for another 14 minutes. I'll let this candle do whatever it needs to do here, and then maybe we get a direction once this 15 closes. No chicken. Yeah. Nick's diet steak. Yeah, it's an animal-based diet. I don't eat too much either. I don't eat too much throughout the day. Why am I live? Why not? Why not be live? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yep. So yeah, learn, follow the trades, get a better understanding of the technicals of the market, get a better understanding of the mentality of the market, all sorts of stuff. Am I Latino? Nope. Nope. No Latino. Me no Latino. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at how the numbers came out here so we can see where we're at. Oh, wow. Oh, 99K. So red numbers here on the dollar. Interesting, interesting. What are we going to do now here on gold? Let's take a look at the upside here. Plenty of room. Plenty of room to drive. It's the top of the daily range here. Yeah. Yeah, daily could keep pumping here. Push all the way up to the top of the range. 4 hour, man. This thing might rip. I'm gonna sit tight on this 15 minute. Got 12 minutes for the closure and see where we're at that point. Yeah, there you go. We're here to collect data. We're here to observe the market. Make friends with the market. We're here to become one with the market. More, yeah, we got more news coming into at 8:30. We got news all throughout our session here today. Tapped the zone almost perfectly though. Let's go ahead and look at that. Yeah, I think we tapped into this area right there perfectly. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Yee! Dump, dump. We got a blade. NASDAQ's bleeding. Sheesh, yeah, we should fill that wick. Beeline straight to that wick. Wow. Back in the range. Back in the range. What's up, DJ Scratches? He's in the building. He's in the building. Anybody take buys, sells? What you guys got going on out there in YouTube land? Who traded the news? Anybody? Yeah, of course, King Tuffa. Of course, got you. C Melly, how we feeling, bro? I did like the downside here, but it looks like price wanted to move up. Comics incoming. Yeah, here we go. So you should see another push here. We did close back in the range though, so that's a bit sketchy. You took sells on NASDAQ? Oh, damn. W. Nice, man. Nice, nice. We fill this wick? Yeah, we're just about filling that wick now. Yeah, so remember what I have told you guys before. You know, when you have this exhaustion wick right here, at some point later down the road, it's going to become a wick to fill. So it'll become a target. So, you know, this one I probably wouldn't have obviously executed on. But let's say you got a closure below there. That would be my target right there, that wick fill. And wicks get filled during times of high volume, right? So news events, session opens, things of that nature. So anytime you see a wick like that, which was a previous exhaustion wick, look to target that wick when you are taking trades during high volume times. Yeah. NQ dumping. Oh wow, gold back up. Holding since 2502. Nice. Gold up, NASDAQ down. John Stu in the house. What up, Johnny?
Yo, what's good, my man?
How are ya?
What's up?
How
are you? I'm doing great, brother. How you doing?
Blessed and highly favored.
Oh, new day. Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm ready to crush today. Do it.
New day, new
hey, what
opportunity.
Up, TK? What's good, USD and energy? Nico, what's good, Zoomers? Good to be back here. It's good to be back.
Whole gang.
Sir Nick, how was London?
London was great. Yeah, it was a good time.
You guys taking it in?
Good quality conversation. We had sell stops at one point, but I think they were down here. But nothing. Never got activated and just let it go. We let the buys go. It's too much resistance here for me.
Yeah, I agree.
In this
you seen that we didn't. Yeah, I agree. And you seen we didn't get anything in Asian too, right? Because we were,
nothing.
I believe, in the same range when you pulled up for London.
I know, we were. Same range. Same range.
All right, but new day today. Got some news, some red folder as well, so should be a good day.
We got more news coming in here too at 8:30. Got unemployment claims coming in. Yeah, we got news. Just be prepared for news throughout the whole session. So bombs will be going off all session long. The afternoon session should be pretty interesting here today. Crude oil inventories later as well. Natural gas.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Just recovered 8K. Nice, man. Congrats.
Nice. Morning, Scott. Good morning, Travis. C. Melly. Energy. What's going on, guys? OGH. Good morning.
Nice, David. Congrats, bro. Sheesh. That's a beast. How you doing? What up, bands?
Hey, bands. Morning.
Yo, what's up, Zach? Good to see you, brother. What's going on? What's good,
Yonosh? Good. Jalen, good morning, bro.
All right, 4 minutes for a closure.
Hey, Chad, I'm sure Nick already told you, but daily reminder coming for me. Another day to be patient and disciplined, and another day to remember that good trading, great trading, I should say, is about being satisfied with building good habits and not being satisfied with your P&L. All right, just a daily reminder for myself and for everyone else. We're gonna have a great day today. That's good, Sandman. Yo, Sandman, congrats, brother. Congrats on getting funded again, bro. Well earned. Well earned.
W. All right, so let's see if we could pull back. If we can, we got a little wick fill ahead of us here. Probably gotta just wait a second for unemployment claims to pop off, and then maybe a opportunity here. What's poppin' with ya?
PM Endifco?
Yeah, we almost had a breakout there in London. I mean, not London, Asian there yesterday. Came close, but no bueno.
I know, almost, bro. We were praying for it.
We told the story of Jared F. Martinez when he blew the 350,000 from the forex mindset when we were in London.
Oh yeah.
I actually went to it. If you guys haven't read the forex mindset, go check this book out. This amazing book right here. Highly recommend it if you guys are trading and want to get some better mindset and mentality behind your trading business. Really good book. But my man went off tilt, man. He blew like 350K. What the craziest part about that story is he went up. He went from down like 200K to up. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, if you guys haven't read that, but I don't want to ruin the story for you, but if you haven't read it, go check it out. It's like I don't want to ruin a movie for you, you know?
Yeah.
Last chapter is hilarious. Yeah. Oh, some of you guys are reading it now. Nice. W. Great book.
Yeah, that book is phenomenal.
Is it cold in Florida? It's cold in my crib. Yeah, it's freezing in here.
Yes, AC is pumping right now.
Got the AC pump. Got the AC
Pumping,
juice.
bro. It's working. Let it cook.
Feels good, man. You know, you wear a nice oversized hoodie in a fresh air-conditioned house, and then once you go outside, it's like a beautiful summer day every day.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it is a must-read. It is. It's a good book. Louis G is in the house. What up, bro?
Still Louis G.
Dropped down to 48 last night over in PA. Yeah, man. It's that time of year now. I kind of miss the Northeast a little bit when it comes to like that hoodie weather, but Florida has that for like 1 month. one month is fine. Yeah.
Oh, maybe two. Yeah.
Maybe two.
December and January.
Yeah.
Low key. I remember we were hitting like the 50s, maybe even 40s.
Especially in early morning, it's very chilly.
Yeah.
All right, so we may have a closure here. I like potential longs here. 4 hour got room. 15 looks good. 30 looks good. We just have to see the initial open of unemployment claims. It might just throw us up and throw this whole idea off, but let's see how that opens up here in 15 seconds, and then we'll go from there. Which book? The Forex Mindset, right here. The Forex Mindset by, where is it? Jared F. Martinez. It's a great book. There's no audio for it? Nah? Nah, no audio. All right, let's see how this unemployment claims came out here. Pending, pending. No audio book, huh? That's
Got a
interesting.
nice.
What happened?
That says a nice little gap on my futures chart now. Or not gap, but glitch.
Yeah, we may move up pretty nicely here. I think this is still pending, but we may keep moving up. Let me see here. Yeah, you're creating a bottom wick here. Let's just take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, 30's in this rejection actually right here. So I don't know. We might be rejecting this area. Yeah. I want to see the result here. Still pending. It's going to be 75 today. Nice. I think it's it's 77 right now for me. Damn. 93 today.
Damn. I'm gonna have to pull up today, bro.
Do it.
Do something.
227. So I guess yeah, not too off of what they were expecting here. So we shouldn't have too much of a difference with unemployment claims. Yeah, should be good. Yeah, mixed results. Yeah, it's kind of like neutral. They call it, right? Neutral. Let's take a look at this idea here. Yeah, this ain't a bad idea here. I'm trying to see, is this the break of the high? I think it is. It gapped down a little bit. Or is it flipped already? My other chart, it flipped already. Let me see something. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This is not a good picture of it. Yeah, we should push up here. We should push up. If you see on Oanda, it looks pretty clean to continue running now. Yeah, let's look left.
Yeah, futures made me hold off a bit.
Yeah, it like gapped a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
The move in London was the push.
Yeah, I see now we kind of just pushed off that support inside of the range.
Yep. Yeah, nothing too exciting here for the news release. There's a bottom wick. Yeah, and it looks a little better. Look at it's a little tricky. I was looking for an entry, but I think this was the break of the high. So can you enter here? I would I mean, I think the best entry was probably like the break of its own high, which was like right here. So I wouldn't just randomly enter because you wanna jump in. Yeah, it's no biggie. I would just sit tight and wait. If you're not in already, just wait on a 15 closure and then see where we're at. No biggie, no biggie.
Yeah, previous candle stops were too big, a bit big for me, and I didn't really want to use current candle stops here.
Nah.
Either.
The biggest move will be in an hour and a half. All right, we will be here. Let's get it. I'm in cells. Nice.
Where it's got, if it's green, buy. Wish it was that easy.
Yeah, that's why I typically don't trade the news candle anyway. So. Looking for a pullback. Pullback. Pushing, pushing.
It'll probably go straight to 57.
Pushing, pushing.
Oh, we're all good. All good, David.
On my end, there's no bottom wick. Breakout candle 15. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, I typically don't trade the news release anyway, so it's not a biggie.
David, did you at least go BE according to your plan? You know, was there a logical structure? Was there a logical structure that price was tapping into when you went BE, or did you just go BE because you wanted to emotionally? It was part of your plan, bro. That's a W.
It looked good on the other account on Top Step X. I see here it looked pretty much. Top Step X might be the best platform out there in terms of accurate price action.
I would agree with you, bro.
Yeah, for real.
I went B because I was emotional. Yeah, word, David. You know, that's gonna happen. You know, if you're you know, your emotion when you have emotions comes with lies. So you could be getting lied to, right, through your ego, from your own emotions. So yeah, man, I would just take that as a lesson today. To if I'm gonna go break even, let me go there because there's an actual logical reason, right, according to market structure. Then instead of just going BE because you know I'm of my emotions because I want to, you know, does that make sense? That's a good lesson, bro, to learn, definitely. Yeah, man, because I definitely understand you, bro. We don't want to get stopped. We don't want to go to B too early, right? Especially if there isn't a logical reason to do so, right? We could really screw ourselves over there, with our winning trades by doing that. Yeah, Nick, we may be able to get a shot on the 1 hour too. I mean, we'll see.
1 hour, 1 hour.
Not if it drives.
Yeah, nice. This thing broke the highs, juiced up. So you're running into this area now. So we'll see how we begin to react here. 4 hour cooking, daily continuing to push. You think it will go sell? Maybe, maybe.
Yeah, facts, Scott. No rush, bro. We got all day. This is the clubhouse.
I don't even know what day it is. The days just blend at this point. I don't even know what session we're trading right now. Is this London, New York? Like,
right.
What are we doing?
For real, though.
Oh, man.
Be forgetting too, bro. Did you get any sleep, Nick? Good.
Yeah. I took a little nap. Last night before London.
Running on 20-minute power naps in excess, right?
A little something, maybe. Maybe something like that.
A little something. A little something.
Couple grass-fed ribeyes. Get you right.
Facts. Oh, yeah, big chillin'.
Get you right.
Good, D-Gamer? Yo.
Can someone educate me on what is BE and W? So BE stands for break even. So what'll happen a lot of times is you'll hear me say, "Hey, I'm gonna go break even," right? So let's just say that we were in a trade, we entered right where that green begins, and we want to hold it until up here, right? So once price hits that zone, you'll hear us say, hey, let's go break even. What that means is if this is your stop loss, you're going to bring it to your entry point. That's it. So you're going break even. So if price comes back down, you won't lose. You'll just break even. It'll just be a wash. And then W stands for winning. Yeah, W just stands for win. That's all. W. You know what I mean? You ever heard that? W. You ever heard people say that? W.
Took the dub, took the win.
Little shum. Little napple. Took a little napple.
And it goes the same way for L's too. And L is a loss.
Yeah, but you don't have to toss those in the chat. You know what I mean? Just be cool, man. Just be cool.
Yeah, man. We don't like to take L's here. If you do everything right, you only take W's.
Yeah. You get to a point where when you take a loss, you're proud of yourself because you followed your plan, you did what you were supposed to do. You know, that's what we're doing. We're just doing today what we're supposed to do. That's it. So every trade we take, we're supposed to do what we do, and we live with the outcome of it.
Yep. Yeah, usually our good losing trades are just a W in disguise.
Your P&L,
right? It's just people don't often see the W because it's disguised as an L.
Yeah.
But it is a W.
Yeah, your P&L will move, right? It'll just move. It'll flow. So you'll have winners, you'll have losers at the end of every month, at the end of every year. As long as it makes money, then it's good to go. Put them L's together. Put them together. All right, Ricky. See you later, brother. Enjoy the day. Later.
Peace, Ricky.
Peace.
Yeah, I mean, 4 hours still looks clean to continue up.
Yeah, 1 hour closure coming in. So this was our big 1 hour news candle here. Yeah, I don't think we have any news coming in on this next hourly candle. Just the last 15 minutes of it. Yeah, this hourly candle here, or really this half hour candle was filled with news.
What comes after now?
Should I
It's
buy?
tough.
Holy,
Damn.
nah, bro. I don't think so. I think you should just wait for the next best setup now. You just got here, so just chill, just hang out, and then wait for the next best opportunity.
Damn, TK, I didn't even get that, bro. I was gonna say M in the alphabet.
It don't work like that, you know. It don't really work like that. Just, you know, should I buy or this? More goes into it. You know, a lot more goes into it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm short on gold. Oh, okay. Cop and a Half. I never seen that movie. Never seen it. Where am I from? I am from, like, where did I grow up? I grew up in New York. Now I live in Florida.
You get to happy with a loss and a win. It doesn't matter. Yes, there's the gamer. That's facts, bro. And that goes back to what I said. You know, that's learning how good trading is about being satisfied with building good habits and not with your P&L. So you're not focused on the P&L. You're more satisfied with your habits that you built, and that kind of dictates your behavior for the rest of the day is through your habits. Yeah, man, because the habits, we make money. Making money is a byproduct to our trading habits here, right? We don't get paid because we want to make money. We get paid because we take great trades that align with our edge, right? So it just comes with us trading. It comes with us building good habits in the markets, and it comes with us just following our plans every day. It's a byproduct.
Am I Indian? Yes. Of course. I am everything.
You're like 4% Indian, right?
Everything. I'm everything.
I'm 100% Holy Spirit. Good to see you, Melly.
I have trouble waiting. Yeah, most traders do. You know, most traders do have a lot of trouble waiting. It's not easy. You know, it's not easy to sit here and just go candle by candle, but it's worth it. You know, it pays. Just think about it like this. You know, if we're about to put $1,000, right, which is used as an example, into the markets, wouldn't it be worth waiting? Just ask yourself, hey, how long does it take me to make 1,000 right now, right? And then you think of that, and then you go, okay, well, it should be worth waiting for the right opportunities if I can make that in 30 minutes or less, right? So you really want to execute on good business opportunities, and that's what these trades are. They're very quick business opportunities, and if you look at it like that, then you get into that negotiation mindset, and you only look for your deal, and you don't settle for any other deal. It's either your deal or no deal.
Business deal, man.
I'm Indiano. Yes.
Facts. Yeah, man. Have you ever heard the saying too? Measure twice, cut it once, right? We want to make sure the best way to do some is the slower route, right? We want to make sure we're doing everything right, and we'll only have to do it one time, right? So if we follow our plan, we'll only have to go through a little bit of failures, right? We'll really shorten our process versus if we don't do what we have to do, it's going to take us much longer. But if we do what we have to do, it's gonna be, the process will be a lot quicker, right? So your process is gonna be either slow or fast, depending on how slow or fast you want to do. You want to take the right steps to do it, right? Walk the talk, walk the path, and yeah. And patience, I look at patience like it's a muscle, and then muscles get stronger with use, bro. So I would say, you know, when you show up to the markets, it's time for trading is about daily practice of good habits. So I would say that every day you show up to the charts, it's another day to practice good habits. It's another day to practice patience, right? How did I get so patient? Through practice. How did I get so disciplined? Through practice. How did I get so disciplined to my plan? Through practice, right? So practice will make perfect, almost perfect. But you know the saying, practice makes perfect. So yeah, man, you get better with practice. And we can practice that every single day while we're on the charts, while we trade.
Bingo. But will you practice? Will you show up every day? Or you wishy-washy? One day I want to trade, next day I don't. One day it's for me, next day it's not. That will not cut it, G. That will not get you to where you want to go. You got to be all in.
Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, we said it before, you know, if you're looking to be consistently profitable, that's not something that's just going to come to you one day. That's something you consistently do every day, right? Through your habits and through your actions. So yeah, man, you must become the professional trader today. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal or worthy goal. So as long as you know where you're going and you're progressing towards that direction, then you are a success, right? And what does Earl Nightingale say? He says the strangest secret is that we become what we think about. So everything has to start in the mind, right? Before it can eventually manifest in the physical realm. So we must in our mind already accept that I am a consistently profitable trader, and accept it as real and accept it as facts, because we become what we think about, right? So, and then allow that, give that time now to just manifest in the physical realm, just as you would give time for a mustard seed to grow. It's kind of the same mindset.
Yeah. Yep. That is true. If you know, you know. If you've practiced it, you know. You are what you think about. Yeah, it is. It's easier to wait when you know what to wait for. I love that. You know, do you know what you're waiting for? Right? Do you know what it is in the market? Are you treating it like very simple, like black and white, or do you leave that gray area to go, you know what? When things don't really make sense and I don't really see it clearly, I could just dive into this gray area. That's typically where you're going to mess up your trades. You know, you're going to break your rules in this area. Well, it didn't have a no wick, but it's all good, right? And then that goes into unnecessary loss column. And these start to stack up, right? When you don't know what you're looking for, you just jump at anything. So understand the deal you're after as a business owner. That's what you are. You know, don't play with trading. This could be a real income for you if you treat it like a business. So if you know what you're looking for as an owner, now it's very easy to wait, because you know that there's certain moves that aren't your move. Not every move in the market is something that you want. So know what your move is and then execute when that move comes. And that's it. Throw your big money on it and live your life. Ready for the shorts? I'm ready for whatever. I'm with whatever, man.
Yeah, right. I'm ready to pivot and flow with the charts.
Yep. Yeah, the playbook, when you have a playbook, whether it's, you know, you should have your own playbook, right? Maybe it's like not exactly, but very similar to mine. But once you have a playbook, it's either there or it isn't. It's black or white. It's a yes or no answer.
It was just like last night, right, chat in Asian? It was a breakout or not, right? We were in the range. It was a breakout or not, whether or not we were deciding whether to take a trade or not. And that's what Nick means. Yeah. It spots out to you on the charts.
Like, I already know I don't trade news, so I don't even care about what happened here. I'm just looking for this news to set the direction for later, right? Because this move is nothing compared to what we could potentially have here today. Why risk the biscuit on some clearly unpredictable news event when you can let that news event absorb into the market and then find direction and then make your bag right there and just go ball in, and then you just dip out for the day and live your life. Is it necessary to put trades on every day? Absolutely not. No trade days are very healthy. No trade days are really good. There was a time when I didn't know what a no trade day was. There was a time, believe it or not. Especially when you're new in the game and you're making this a part of your routine and you're waking up and you're getting up early and you're saying, I'm here. I need to find a trade. You know, it don't work like that. It really don't. So once you have the playbook and know what you're looking for, you show up, but that doesn't mean that the market owes you exactly what you're looking for. If that just happens to walk and skip by while you're here observing, then guess what? You know, you enter the markets and you go into that trade, but the market doesn't owe us anything. It doesn't care if we're here now and we're looking now and now is our free time to trade. Doesn't matter. You know, if the setup ain't there, there's no opportunity. And volume, by the way, doesn't mean opportunity, right? Like, moves in the market don't mean anything unless they're actually your move. So do you know your move? Do you know your move? We got to trade today. Time to trade.
Nice. Yeah, man. You always want to ask yourself too before you get in a position, why am I buying or selling this position, right? And you want to, like, if I'm ever getting in a trade, I'm always backing myself up with reasons behind my trade idea and my thesis for this trade. So I think you should do the same. I think that's a good practice to make sure you take good trades, is before you press buy or sell, you talk to yourself in your mind and you're like, why am I getting this? What are my reasons? And if the reasons make sense, then go for it, bro. Pull the trigger.
Yep. It's got to check the box.
Yep. Peace out, Captain.
Later, Captain. Have a good day, man. Krantos, how do you even type that so fast, man? Holy crap. How'd you even get all those messages?
Dude, you got a bot.
Fast, dude? Man, speed typer.
All right, bet. I'm glad I stayed out of those bots.
Yeah, me too. AI knows how to do it. It was actually pretty freaky, man. I very rarely go out in the morning, but I went to this gas station today, like the major gas station over here. And number one, it was jam packed, and like it literally gave me like that nostalgic feeling of going to work and like stopping at the gas station, like your coworkers, especially if you guys are in like landscaping or like construction or any of that, you know, you stop off, you get your coffee together and your Twinkies and all that for lunch. And it was just kind of freaky because there was like 4 machines going at once, and it was like, please enter your debit card. And it was like, yo, like we're being ran by robots here. Like it just said the same thing over and at the same exact time. Like it freaked me out a little bit. I'm like, yo, we're living in the land of the robots.
In the matrix. Yeah. Facts, bro. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it also made me extremely grateful because I used to be in that situation going to grab that. Like one dude, he was about 400 pounds, man. This guy was grabbing 2 massive hot dogs at 7 a.m. Eastern and a big old bag of Trolleys. You guys ever seen Trolleys? Holy. That boy's about to have a day.
Damn, bro.
That man's about to have a day.
I had Trolleys one time last year. Oh.
That's a big man right there.
And at the end of the day, that's going to be the power of daily separation through a compound effect, right? Through a compound efforts of your daily separation. That's where the change, that's where the separation happens through that long run, right? So when you're going to eat a hot dog every day at 7 a.m., but I'm going to continue to fast until 5 p.m., you know, that's where the separation shows daily. And then it makes a big change over time, right? Through a month, through 2 months, through 3 months, right? So that's why daily separation is so important.
Slight edge, baby. It'll work for you or against
Slight edge.
you. It doesn't care which way it works. It's just going to work the way you design it.
And I can argue too at that point, he may not even want the hot dog. At this point, he's just so programmed and maybe even addicted to eating it, right? He's addicted to the dopamine. He's programmed through his bad habits to be conforming to these habits. Yeah.
Got the Trolleys on deck.
The Trolleys be slapping them. Can't lie.
That boy was happy, man. He was happy. He was smiling. Good for him. Good for him, man. Enjoy your life. Am I late today? I don't know. Are you? You look like you're right on time to me, mister.
You know what? You're late. Go to guidance and give me a late pass, bro, before you come back.
Office, Mr. Stephen B.
You're late, I'm marking you tardy, bro.
Good old soda pop. Yeah. All right, so we got a closure coming up here. Closure. So 30 minutes gonna close kind of like this is, so the way this looks is like an exhaustion wick bearish candle, right? On the, yeah, see, so this isn't really the hottest closure here if we're looking to take buys. 15-minute also kind of creating resistance now. So I think if we get a new support and remain above the chop here, then we should be good to eventually move back up, retest the highs for like 65 pips, and then potentially keep moving up here. Yeah, as long as we remain above this range, I think it's still in position to drive. Hey, love you too. Love you too. We all love you.
Yeah, the 30 minute makes you not kind of like the 1 hour, right?
Yeah. It throws the 1 hour off. So typically when I take a loss on the 1 hour, when it looks like a wick fill, the 30-minute typically looks like this. So it looks like a clean wick fill, doesn't it? But this could be a problem here, this 30-minute rejection like that.
Gotcha.
There was a Trade-O-Vate glitch? Yeah, I think so. I heard about that. Tristan, little piece of advice, man. My mentor told me one day, he's like, you know, there's a big difference between the wealthy and the poor and the mindsets. And a lot of times poor people, what they talk about is other people, right? They talk about other people. They talk about little stupid events, the weather. Man, it sure is a dreary day out there. So successful people only talk about the future, about uplifting, about moving on, getting better, about running their own race. So that's what we choose to do. We choose to think like the successful, wealthy person and not the poor person. Yeah, so we don't really talk too much about other people. 12-hour fast good for starting? Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Definitely.
Especially if you're used to eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Count it up. Count it up. All right, so we'll see what happens here. A 15-minute kind of retesting the zone in which we left. If we plant a support here, that's going to be our Q. All right, so you get a candle that closes support. That's going to be on our confirmation to retest those highs there. It's a pretty decent move up. It's like 60 pips.
Patience.
I need Kikis. Kiki.
Kiki.
I just realized I
Yeah,
talk like a
Kiki's.
poor person. Yeah, man. Complaining about the weather. Well, just see the Yankees. You know. They got rained out, man. That rain. You know that rain. I told you.
Yeah, we're bro. We don't attract that. You know, also when you're so negative, you're attracting that. You're attracting negative energy to you, bro. You know, in every situation you get in also. So it's also important when you're thinking to remember the law of attraction that, you know, you'll become what you think about, and what your thoughts will naturally attract your reality.
Yeah, you gotta basically you gotta say, hey, what deserves real estate in my own mind? And then that's how you gotta go about it.
Yeah.
Like all that doesn't really deserve any real estate in my mind when I'm so focused on making a dream a reality. You know what I mean?
Sir.
Every day I had 4 meals. Now I'm gonna have 2. All right, nice. Yeah, that's progress. Heck yeah.
Work.
Sky is blue today. Sky is blue. Keep thinking of that million, man. I ain't seen it yet. Just sit there and think about it. The longer you think, the faster it comes. Now, I posted on my story too on IG today. A lot of people, they think too much. They plan too much. They have these great ideas, but they never execute them. So if you can just execute, right? The only thing you need to do is do. That's it, you know, for the most part. And go out there and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Whether it be in your trading, whether it be, it could even be to the point where you just want to talk to your spouse better. You want a better relationship, right? What should I do? Bro, you should do some nice things for your wife. You know what I mean? Don't think about it, just do. Right? Start doing. And that's the only way you get there. You know, the entrepreneur, like I was saying, is the one who jumps out the plane and builds the parachute on the way down. Makes quick, fast, swift decisions, right? Income producing activities or decisions that his or her future self will thank her for, right? So get into the habit of you know, thinking that way, because that will serve you extremely well.
Facts.
Trump or Kamala? Kamala. She's so horrible. She's so horrible. Man, that stuff cracks me up too.
Of course, Kamala.
Kamala. Kamala. Don't talk about it, be about it. There you go. Don't talk about it, be about it.
Sir.
Just work. Just work. What's our famous quote here? Just win. Right? Just find a way to win. No matter what situation you're in, someone else was in it too. And they actually made something out of it. So there's no doubt you can do it. God has no respect of persons. If he can bless someone else with it, he can bless you with it. Yeah, ask Alexa. Yeah, I seen that. Hey, I'll be right back. One second.
Just win. Just win, y'all. Yeah, I know. I seen that about Alexis. Alexis, be quick. How you doing? Be a magnifico. How you doing? What's good, Dominic? Good, bros. My plans for the weekend? I don't know, man. I don't think I'm doing any golf. Probably gonna go chill by the pool this weekend. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'm the type to, you know, figure out what I'm gonna do in my day during the day. Yeah, probably chill by the pool, get some sun. You know, look over my trades, get my workouts in, pray to God, lay on the hammock, chill under a palm tree, you know, I don't know, something like that. What's your plans, bro? What's your plans this weekend?
Man said Alexis.
Oh, Alexa, right?
That was funny, bro.
Sorry, it's Alexa.
Alexis, be quick. All right, what shall we do here, Goldie? So back in the range. Right back. Looks like we're trying to break below here. I think the 4-hour low broke. No, I don't think it broke yet. Yes, actually it did. So we did break the 4-hour low. Hold on. Yeah, we'll see. We make it exhaustion wick. Some rejection up here. 4 hours been moving up for quite some time. Same deal with the 1 hour at this point. Looks like we're starting to struggle. So we don't want to jump on sells too quickly because the 1 hour can continue driving up here, right? Next 1 hour candle can easily just close back above and then continue running. So we really want to wait for closures and volume coming in. So it's yeah, new candle here. So we got volume coming in on the next 3 15-minute candles. So maybe we can get in on one of them. Maybe we'll get our doorway in here. John's living the dream. John is living the dream. Congrats, buddy.
Thank you, bro.
Not many 19-year-olds are living like you.
Yeah, word. Thanks, bro. Congrats to you as well, man. Living the dream also.
It's the only way to do it.
Yeah, Chad, the life you want to live it today. Become that person today. It's my best advice.
Man, I'm getting a big loss. Should I close the position? Talk to me, brother. What are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? What pair is it? Talk to me. Let's see how we can help out.
Yeah, man. You know, that's actually a secret of trading, bro. You want to have a stop loss on every order.
Yeah, you want to have
you have
plan.
a mental stop, you're mental, you know? So, and that's from Peter Talkman. So yeah, you want to always have a stop loss on every order and you want to never change it. because the price will just continue to just wipe your account away, right? Like until your account's gone, it will continue to drive against you.
Yeah. If you're buying gold here, well, you really want to see gold close above the range here, right? So if it doesn't do that, I'd exit the position, especially if it closes below here. I'd definitely exit. It can get crazy. 9:15 coming up, but yeah, as of right now, wherever your stops are, just keep them where they are and wait for candles to close to give you some sort of an answer. If you close below here, though, it might not be the best to hold. Yeah, I wish I started at 19 too, man. That'd be awesome. But we didn't. So whatever. I guess that was the plan for John, not for us.
Well, yeah, I mean, me and Nick have talked where, when I was 15 and getting introduced to trading, we talked about where I could be, in 4 or 5 years, so that really made me want to get locked in when I was very young, like 15, 16. So yeah, I took it serious, man. I wasn't playing around with this.
Yep. What did I help you do before anything? Cast a vision, right? Find out where you wanted to be. We always start with the end in mind. It's like anything. When you're building some of you guys are in construction, right? You have that blueprint, right? You start with the end in mind, and then you work backwards. So the building blocks are very dirty and nasty and rough and tough work when you're building the foundation of your life, or if you're building the foundation of a building, right? That's typically where the dirty work is done. But once that foundation's in, it's a clean build after that. So just build your foundation and then let momentum start to take a life of its own on in your life. And the only way you build that momentum is by doing the things that need to be done, doing the habits that govern success in the area in which you're looking to accomplish. That's all.
Great point. I really love that too. Keep the end in mind. That's exactly when I first started, and I had the end in mind, like, yo, where could I be? Right? Yeah. If I continue to do this and I stay consistent with this, where can I be? Right? And that just changed the game for me throughout my process. It's keeping the end in mind, man. Great point.
Yep.
Fun fact, actually, Chad, I actually bought my first funded account and I used Nick's name. I was too young to get an account.
He didn't know I was about to hit him with that 80-20 split.
Yeah.
It's like, my forex funds gives me the 80-20 split. I'm like, no. My Nick Stewart's funds gives you the 80-20 split, and I keep 80, you keep 20. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing, kid.
Yes, that was annoying, but yeah.
Don't worry about it, kid. Don't worry about it. Just keep trading.
Like, this doesn't seem.
You're just paying me, man. You're paying me for being your older brother. Relax. Pay the fee. It's a little tax. It's nothing crazy. It's a little tax. 80%. Something light. Come on. Kamala's opposing the same exact thing right now. Just something light on tax, We good? We good?
Something light to screw the people over.
All right, 1 minute for the closure here. So we're looking good. If we can close below, everything looks pretty nice. You got 9:30 coming up. 9:15's right around the corner here in 1 minute. So we'll see where we go. 4 hour broke its own lows there.
Um,
33 seconds. We'll see if it'll close below here. Big Daddy, damn, haven't seen that one in a while.
Great movie.
All right, so if we close below, I'm gonna wait for a top wick, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop here. After that, ooh, pull back. All right, so no closure below here. So unfortunately, no closure below. We're in the chop here. We're in the range. So maybe 9:15. I think the only way I'm trading without a closure below here is if this candle closes bullish, and then 9:30 opens up and starts breaking the low. Right here. That's it. Other than that, I'm not taking sells unless that closes below there. No way, Jose. Yo, what's up, Juan? Good to see you, brother.
Yeah.
Uncle T. Chopped cheese.
I don't know. The only
Oh, damn.
Sorry.
No, you good. Looks like we have the competition.
question. Looking at the future.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I'll show you guys in a sec. Go ahead, John.
No, I wanted to ask you a question.
Oh, go ahead. Yep.
You know, looking at the future chart, how come? I'm just curious. Why are you not looking for range 2 sells? How come you're willing to take those sells? Looking at the
Because-
future chart, 4 hour on the
because
futures.
The 4 hour is here in this rejection zone. So we may reject in this area like we did here, all these times, and push back down. The 4 hour has been pushing up for, look at all these hours here, right? So we're due for that pullback. And if we keep breaking that low over and over, like we've already done 3 times, then chances are now if you get a closure below there or a break of that low again during high volume, you'll come down and retest this zone here. So that's pretty much the look. It's not necessarily to retest the whole or retrace the whole move, but at least this clean traffic should get tapped into, you know, when that volume comes. So just the fact that we're in that resistance area and we've already rejected pretty hard daily as well. We've moved up quite a bit, tapping into that resistance also, and then kind of getting these closures, right? We've got this bearish look now, this push up, fake out, and I think if we re-break that low, it should bleed.
Yeah, that makes sense too, because the futures chart, you know, it has almost 30 more minutes until the 4 hour closes, and if we're re-breaking lows in the last 30 minutes, you know, makes sense that we could be high chance we start going down.
Yep, exactly. Like why break lows in the last 15 minutes of a 4 hour candle or whatever, half hour, and then go re-break the high?
Yeah, right. Makes sense.
Diogo. Oh yeah, so this is the
Go on.
leaderboard. Yeah, leaderboard is right here. Where'd it go? Can I show this publicly, TK? Yeah, right? No? Which one? Yeah, send me the right one. Oh, that's not the right one? Alright, yeah, send me the right one. Alright, we're gonna get the leaderboard up for you guys. I think, what did you say, TK? Some ton of people are still just in profits. You guys are actually killing it. I think last time I checked, top dog was up like almost 8%. Top 43 are actually in profit. Beautiful. Good work, good work. Much better than the last competition, much better. I think you guys just said the hell with the last one. But we're gonna get ready to prepare for a new competition as well, and this is gonna be sick because we're gonna go up against. So we're gonna have a kind of like a competition between us in-house, and then we're actually gonna my buddy Austin Silver, he's gonna do the same thing within his community, and then we're gonna bring the winners together and we're gonna just hash it out. Yeah, it's going to be sick. So that we're looking for the cream of the crop, right? Because if we're going to go against Austin, his guys are going to be on their game, right? So we got to be on our game as well. There's no doubt they're going to be following system. There's no doubt they'll be following edge. There's no doubt they'll be patient, right? So we have to do those things as well.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. I'll put together a little, I'll put together like a, once we get down to the final, whatever it is, I think 10, then we're going to start working together. Yeah, we gotta take this title home, chat.
Yeah, we can't get smoked from them boys.
Nah, can't.
You gotta smoke them. Come on. We will.
Yeah, just let me know when you have it. I'll send it out.
Yo, Chris Tuffa, bro. W, man. Let's go.
Yeah, I was just reading that. Nice job, bro. See, Melly, look at the difference you're making, bro. For real. Thin thread, man. Things happen. You make connections off a very thin thread in life. Right? There's a chance if some of you guys, if you didn't jump on YouTube the day you did, you would have never seen the stream, never would have been here. Some of you guys been here for 8, 9, 10 months, a year, just randomly stumbling upon us. So everything in life happens in thin threads. You know, you got to really pay attention to the clues.
Facts, bro. Yeah, man. And to those of you who are, you know, upset maybe of where you're at in trading, it's time to look in the past right now and see how much progress you've made and how much you've came from. And if you haven't made that much progress, you just be happy at the fact that you're alive today, right? And that you have the opportunity to pull in income from trading, right? So, yeah, man, lot to be grateful for today. Yeah, and I would just say it's a perspective switch on the things that you do have and not on what you don't have. And we're always looking at, we can always just look and we can always just improve the future as well.
Yeah, just keep in mind there was a time where you didn't even know what a pip meant. You didn't even know if bullish was up and bearish was down, or bearish was up and bullish was down, and you didn't know about any of that stuff, right? So just celebrate where you're at and don't get satisfied there. You know, just stay in the hunt. Traders have to be learning and growing at all times. All times.
Sure.
All right. Let's see. I think we got the leaderboard here. Let's pull up the leaderboard real quick so we can take a look. All right. So what do we got here? So we got Daniel, Ryan. I think, yeah, same exact crew that was in it from yesterday. So, yeah, 7.8%, 7.3. You guys are all crushing it. Great work. Great work. So if you see your name there, that's where you're at. That's where you stand. You guys are all doing an excellent job here. Yeah, the fact that top 43 of you guys are in profit right now is awesome. Well done, well done. See, look at that. These sells are no bueno yet unless you get a closure below. Closure below or the break of that 4-hour low right there. Just enjoy some good guitar. There you go. How many accounts blown? Oh, are you asking me? I've probably blown like close to 30 accounts in my time. 30 accounts. I probably blew 30 accounts in the first 2.5 years, and then I started to settle down and settled in. Yeah, there you go. PM Magnifico didn't know what BE meant. $40K coming. Let's peep it. Let's peep it. How are you guys performing today here, chat? How are you performing? 333? All right, I like that. No, I would say give the stream a like, but I like that number. I just like it. Yeah, so don't like the stream at all. Don't get me to 500 likes. All right, now that it's switched, all right, let's get to 500 likes. Yeah. All right, now you guys can like. Nice job, PM Magnifico. W, brother. I thought Nightbot was... Yeah, yo, see, Melly thought Nightbot was just some random guy for a minute. But yo, Nightbot's always out here pushing. He's hustling.
All right, for real.
Nightbot be on the grind, man.
Yeah, he's the best worker here.
Started with ICT, yeah. Yeah, I started with some other ways too that just really didn't make sense to me. Happens. Yeah, I think in the early days of your trading, you're gonna have to kind of like, there's a difference between like strategy hopping, right, and then finding a system that works for you. So I don't think there's anything wrong with checking this one out, checking that one, and checking that one, and just seeing which one fits best for you, right? The issue becomes when you pick this one, but then you take a couple losses and you're like, let me try this one instead, right? And then you take a couple losses here and you go, let me try this one here, right? And you're like, let me try this one, right? You know what? That one was best. I think that one was best. Next year, you know what? I should have just kept with my original plan here, right? Do you see how this is unproductive? Very unproductive.
Yeah, I can see that.
Very unproductive. Complete waste of time. So lock in on one that really makes sense to you. There's nothing wrong, like I said, with finding that one. But once you find it, lock in. You know, lock in. Give yourself time to win. Then you come back over here. And you go, oh my God, what's this? TTE? What's that mean? You know? And hopefully you stay right here. Dial in. A lot of guys, they go to TTE and they go, yeah, let's go back. Let's not do that anymore. They come on back because it's too simple. It's the same thing every day. They go through this whole entire journey up here, right? And then they come back and they just see me doing the same exact thing that I was doing since I left, since they left, right? Letting the same probabilities run in my favor. So they all have good statistics, I'm sure. It's just up to you to pick one and stick with it.
Yeah.
And then the worst is then you try mix and matching. You know, you start trying to mix this system with that system, and yeah, it can get bad. How can we get a playbook like yours? Take it, steal it from me. I'm not looking. Go ahead, take it. Just take it, bro. Just run it.
He's giving it to you for free, bro. Better grab it.
Send me $100. I'll give it to you.
It's probably like, how do I grab it?
I don't know. C. Melly, he stole my
Give him the
strategy.
Venmo.
How'd you do it, C. Melly? How'd you get it? Nightbot gave it to him. Nightbot slid. He said, yo, meet me in the back alley, C. Melly. I got you this. Don't worry. You don't have to pay full price with Nick. I got you over here. Come around back.
He had that North Face hoodie like Travis, right? He had that thing covered up,
he had his hands
stuffed up in his hood.
In the middle pocket. What you need?
Right.
What you need? Nick strategy? Got you, bro. Got you.
He had a hoodie underneath with his hood on.
Hood up and all that.
Yeah, meet me in the back out.
Yo, just meet me back here, bro. Keep this on the low. Keep it on the low. Yeah, I think the real deal is you're looking for a strategy that doesn't lose trades, and that's not realistic. That just ain't realistic. Don't do that to yourself.
Right.
All
yeah,
right.
that's the only reason people had you up.
30 closure coming up here. 30 closure. 15 closing back above the zone here. Yeah, this looks pretty good. It looks like we're getting our 15 support. If it closes above the range and leaves a wick here, then there's some opportunity to move up. Let's see if we can leave a wick. So yeah, so we'll see if we actually want to continue pumping up. You're gonna get a 30 closure, very weak, like inverted celery. So if we do get like a bottom wick, I like this. I like it. Gonna need this bottom wick though. If we can get this bottom wick, be perfect. You're in the buys? Yeah, they look good. They look good. I'm waiting on a bottom wick, and I might be in those buys with you. Yeah, you're still holding? That's good. That's good. You didn't close, right? You had no closure, no reason to close that outside of these lows breaking, but no closure against you. %65 win rate's a good strategy.
Yeah, it also is a 1 hour pack too. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. Please help me in the name of God. I'm in a very big loss, man. Sounds like only God can help you now, bro. In the name of God.
Real.
Man, you're in gold buys, aren't you? Just chill out. Relax. Relax. Let this wick come down. As long as you don't close below, you won't lose any more than you already had negative. You were already negative down here, so you're doing a lot better than you were a couple minutes ago. Praise God.
Praise God.
All right, cool. I'm going to have a buy stop here. So buy stop on the break of the highs. Stops are going to be chilling back in the range as of right now. And, yeah, we'll see how we do.
I like the 30-minute and the 1 hour. I like how they're both kind of pointing in the same direction now.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's your break of your 1 hour highs, 30-minute highs, 15-minute highs. So it looks good.
Yeah, 15 looks great.
Just had a cold shower? Yeah, maybe take a cold shower and then wait for those highs to break, and off to the races we may go here. Sam the man. How you doing, bro?
Sam the man. Sam the man's doing great. I know that. And funded.
Yeah? You got funded?
You looking
Nice. Nice job, bro. Congrats. I didn't know that.
Yeah, bro.
Congratulations.
Get
What
it,
up,
Sam.
Enzo TV?
You looking at risk free around 52? What you looking at?
52, yeah, somewhere around this wick fill. Probably
I'm
right
looking
around
at-
this gray line here.
Nice.
Come on, Green. 930, be good to us. 930 cheat code, what do you say?
I have a good feeling, man. I have a good feeling.
Why not sell? So right now, the reason I don't want to sell is because we're still, we're remaining above this zone right here. So notice how all the candles are closing above the range. 1, 2, 3, and now I feel like if you break this high here, according to technicals, right, you will move up, at least fill that wick or this wick here, and then continue on up in the range. So I won't be bearish until we actually close below here. Yeah, we got to get a closure below.
Yeah, it looks like too, this 930 volume should finish the rest of the job for the 4 hour too. That's what I'm thinking. Rest of the job for the 4 hour candle, for the 4 hour to push all the way to target.
How do you have viewers? Makes no sense at all. That's because you're a dummy. So why would it make sense? You lack intelligence.
Yeah,
Sinner
it makes
saved by
sense. I
grace.
don't.
Sinner saved by grace. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. God bless, brother. Hope you have a great trading day here today.
God bless you, bro. Good luck today.
Best of luck to you, man. Rooting for you. Thanks for the comment.
Yeah, facts. That made me feel a lot better today, bro.
You hurt my feelings, man. Why would you do such a thing? The
I'll
Reverend.
totally be thinking about that at the pool.
Yeah, man, I'm really gonna be. I mean, I'm gonna be stressing over that comment while I'm hanging out in the lounge chair today, just soaking in the Tampa sun, just enjoying freedom.
Yeah, facts, bro. It's gonna live rent free in my head.
I'm channeling my inner Raja. Oh man.
All right, let's go 9:30. What we doing?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we break the highs here. So this trade looks amazing, but guess what? We could still take a loss here. So that's why I have a stop loss to protect my account. If we end up re-breaking its own low, I'm not too interested in holding on to this. I'm expecting once we break the high to really just beeline straight towards that wick fill with 930 volume here. So if that happens, great. That's where I'll probably close some partials. If not, then you know, stops are still available here. So we're using current candle stops, so there's not much management we can do to the downside here, outside of just being comfortable with our stop here. If it breaks the high and it doesn't start pushing right away and you're getting nervous, go break even. You know, go break even right around these points, and that'll be risk free at that point. If we end up not breaking that high and closing below here, I like these sells. Yeah, until then, I'm pretty bullish here. The man said inner Raja. Yeah, I won't lose. I don't think I could lose sleep at all tonight, man. I've been up for like 3 days. So I think, yeah, I don't think anything will keep me from knocking out pretty quickly here. You can't lose sleep. If 30 re-breaks high, should rip. Yeah, I think so. I'm taking he's not joining us in the clubhouse. Yeah. All right. So we got, it's 37 here. So we got 8 minutes, I think, right? Left for the 15 closure. Yeah, 7 minutes. So as long as we remain above the zone here, if we close back below, I'll delete my buy stop. As long as we close above, I'm going to keep this, and then that entry is still pretty damn valid. Yeah, we close back in the range, I'll delete it. We remain above, I'll keep it. Yeah, we do have some news coming in as well in 8 minutes. That's right. That's right.
Oh.
Yeah, got heavy news coming in 9:45 and 10. Oh
Orange
my
folder,
gosh.
945.
Oh my gosh. NASDAQ, man. Holy. Up and down, up and down. Anybody trading NAS here today? 930 rocket ship. Can we enter now? Enter what? How do you improve your spiritual life other than fast? Time with the Lord, time in prayer. Seek first the kingdom every day. Spend time with the Lord. How do you improve your relationship with anybody? You know, you spend time with them. Spend time with them, converse with them. Can we enter now? I would wait for the break of the highs here, like I'm doing. Buy stop. Here we go. Maybe, maybe.
Yes, sir. Just another trade, y'all. May the probabilities be in your favor.
Why don't I trade NAS? I probably will start looking into it more now again as I'm trading a little bit more in the afternoon. So yeah, I'll probably start looking into it much more now. 4 hours not doing too good here. So tempted to take the trade. I don't want to trade before news. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Stick to your plan. No matter what I do, stick to your plan.
Yeah. Facts. Yeah, energy or discipline to your plan is being patient. Is being tested right now.
The markets are saying, energy, are you gonna get in this prematurely? You know you should stay out now, but you want to get in.
Remember that with your emotions come lies. So
Yeah.
don't be fooled.
Tell the chart, you're a liar. You're a liar. I'm hearing voices in my head. What is that? Nick Stewart.
Damn.
All right, 15
That's
closure.
nice energy.
All right, I'm gonna delete this buy stop here and wait for this 15 closure in 3 minutes. If this thing juices up and hits target in the next 3 minutes, well, amazing. I'm gonna wait for the closure. As long as we close above the range here, I do like adding the buy stops back. But let's see how we close. There you go, energy. Now you're chilling.
Lovely.
Is John your brother in blood? Yeah, yeah, we have the same mom and dad. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
I don't know.
We don't know. We don't know. We spawned here.
We're like,
we had no clue what happened in life for the first 5 years. We could have been, who knows? Who knows?
I could have been from a whole different family, right? The doctors could have mistaken me.
Like our
So,
brother
I don't
Joe.
know.
Brother Joe is clearly Yugoslavian and not American. So we're, you never know.
Right. So he's probably not even our blood brother.
Right, Joey Stu? Joe Stu does not look like our mom or our dad. Dude looks like some Yugoslavian NBA basketball player.
Probably from some like rich family.
Joe probably got.
But he
Joe
had to
was
grow
probably
up poor
born
with
into.
us.
Yeah, he was probably born into royalty. Ends up getting swapped by mistake at birth. Has to live this mediocre upbringing. Dude could have been traveling the world, freaking
Average life.
castle hunting in Scotland with his family.
For real. Yeah, but instead he had to be indoctrinated by the school system and the government.
Instead, he ended up
And
in
be
our
poor.
family.
With us. Yep.
Yeah, my man's like a Russian prince. He should be getting fed grapes his entire life.
Instead, he's trying to make a bag and trade it. Could be getting fed grapes.
Oh man, funny. Funny. There he is. Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Joey said,
What's
"Stop
up, my
the
brother
cap."
from another mother?
My brother from another mother. What's good? How you doing?
Good.
Dude stopped off in some random place in like Westchester County, the royalty family of like Yugoslavia. Like, we gotta stop here ASAP. The baby's gonna be born into royalty. Ends up. All right, yeah, looks like we're closing back below, back in the chop here. So yeah, gonna avoid 9:45 here. Joe, we're just fooling with you, man. Just kidding. Nah, we crack on Joe all the time.
Do a little trolling.
Yeah. I can't even play golf with Joe this weekend. I gotta let him cool down a little bit. Man was on fire. We were all manufactured during the last reset. Yeah. Don't forget to tell us when to buy. I won't. I'll let you know. Don't call me, I'm gonna call you.
I don't know if that sun's if the sun is too hard. I'm not down.
John's first time back out since he hasn't been in Florida for a while, so I think the heat was getting to John.
Yeah, by the 17th hole I was cooked. Yeah.
You mean like the 7th?
No, the 17th.
All right, sells below here and buys above here. There we go.
I can endure, bro. I'm enduring.
Endure. Wags. Got you, Wags. Got you, bro.
Let's get Wags.
Chat, lighten up a little, man. We all spawned here. We got no clue what to do. We're just all figuring this out together, man. I don't care if you're 8 years old, 18 years old, 85 years old. You have no clue what you're doing for the most part. So just chill out, laugh a little, crack a smile. Life is good, man.
Facts, bro.
Dude spawned here out of nowhere. Just boom.
For real, man. Creepy.
Facts. We're all just winging it.
Yeah, it's all our first time here in life, so
That's why we
give
gotta help
ourselves
one
some
another.
slack.
We gotta help
Yeah.
one another, you know? We're designed to help.
We were, bro.
Are we gonna move here today or what?
And this week's been kind of boring.
Little bit. Here's a good time to plug the like button here. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Let's see if we can get to 500. 500 likes. Shouldn't be too difficult. 409. 409. Do I see 410? Do I see 410? Do I see 410? You guys got any questions? Any good questions? Or are you just hanging out today?
I'm hyped for the clubhouse today. Let's go.
Me too. Is a mic and camera required for the clubhouse? Nah, you good. You could just chill. Yeah, just chill like it's YouTube. Yep. Yeah, like there's like 80 people on Zoom right now, but they're just chilling. You know, they're not really talking. Some of them have their cameras on. Most of them don't. Just a vibe. It's just a vibe. We're zooming. Yeah, that's right. They're all vibing here in the chat. So
Zooming through life.
Chat.
Diogo, don't talk to yourself like that, bro. Come on. That's funny. Fill that in the cut.
What question is there to have with these weirdos streaming? Yeah, we're all weirdos here, man. All of us. You are being very honest. We are the weird crew, and we know it. We are weird, and we know it.
Off camera, I'm a pretty weird dude.
It's
pretty weird.
It's a gang of weirdos in here, man.
It really is, man.
Gang of weirdos. You're too grown up for us. Your heart is too hardened.
I'd rather be weird and not normal. I'd rather be weird than normal. So I'll take that as a compliment.
I I wouldn't say weird. I'd say different. We're just different. It's good to have you though, man. Welcome to the crew. It's good to have you here. Still hanging around. Lovely.
Oh. My casa is your casa.
Mi casa
Welcome.
su casa, eh?
Yeah, Josh, right?
Is there a possible sell? Yeah. So we're just waiting, you know, sells below here, buys above there. We had a buy stop, waited for it to close, you know, closed in the range, deleted the buy stop. So just back in the range here. Just pretend nothing happened here.
Oh, it's gonna reward us nicely though today. I have a good feeling.
Patience.
Facts, Jora FX facts. Hills, that means full margin, bro.
AKA full margin.
Okay. Yeah, let's go WJ Mac. My man J Mac in the chat.
J Mac, let's get it. Let's see here. Nice, Spidey ride. W. Headed to work. All right, Wokey. See you later, bro. Later.
Peace, bro. Peace.
Long or short on gold? So my thoughts here on gold currently is this right here is going to be a no trade range here for me. So I don't like anything in this range. Anything above there though is pretty clean. Anything below is pretty good too. But this right here is full of choppy price action. Alright, I'll be right back.
Patience. That's all I can say, honestly. Patience. Do you find the biggest move usually comes after the final folder news? Yeah, I mean, I could agree with that. I mean, I see a lot of big moves happen just after news in general, but yeah, the final folder news, yeah, I usually will see a big move after that as well. Yeah, I mean, it all depends too on the news event as well, you know, how volatile it will be. So yeah, there's a lot. I mean, every news folder is kind of unique in its own way as well. Long or short on gold, whatever your plan's telling you, my man. Just follow your plan. That's good, George. Is there a possible sell? Yeah, below 44. Be breaking the 4-hour lows there. We got a 4-hour closure coming up too on the future chart. So yeah, I'm down for sells below there. Yeah, we're just waiting for this. We're waiting for price to get out of this range that we're in. Once we can get a candle to close out of the range that we're in, we could take a trade in that direction. Good lights fire. It's good, bro. How much days for the competition? Maybe someone in the chat can help us with that. News in 5 minutes? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got some 10 a.m. news here. We'll see what happens. Probably will wait till like 10:15, 10:30 to take a position. We'll see how volatile the news is for whether or not I get in a trade now at 10. And that's if we close below. No, Travis, if we get the 30 or 1 hour to close below support, I think that's a good sell opportunity, even if the 15 doesn't close below. Yeah, just because the 30 is going to be more quality than the 15.
Very true.
But we'll chill out here because we got news dropping in 5 minutes. So let's see like how we act here.
1 hour looks great to go down from technicals, but could be very unpredictable with news. What up, Lights Fire? What up, what up? Yo, was yesterday your birthday or the day before?
I think it was yesterday. Oh.
Yesterday.
Actually, I don't know. Might have been the day before. 2 days ago, yeah.
All right, yeah, if this 1 hour does close bearish, which it's probably gonna, then we've got a brand new resistance at this point now. So this will be our new resistance here, right there, and then that's the zone here. $25. Happy birthday, man. Happy B-Day.
25 years young.
Yeah, we got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes. So we may, so Mr. BTC, can you explain the concept of the candle closing like bullish or bearish, but where it closes? And yeah, these guys, man, they watch your eyes. Watch. Yeah. So the concept is right in front of us too, right? So you see, like, if this bearish candle closed like right at support, then what you have here is a bearish closure, but you're right at the bottom of the range. So unless you actually close below, this bearish closure really doesn't mean too much. So it's all about where it closes, and when you have your ranges, you can be able to determine that, right? Like this next candle, it's closing too close to the bottom of the range, right? This candle here, though, in this example, it's perfect, right? Because it's right at the top of the range, which leaves you a lot of range to move down still. Little rascals. Lele come in without even
So it's like
looking in the room. She's like, "It's bright in here." It's like, you didn't even get in yet. Come in talking about it's bright.
Oh, it's like, yeah, so the 4 hour is closing bearish, but we're closing right at support, not below it.
Yeah.
You know, we're kind of, now we could say that the 4 hour could either go down or it could go up, right? Because it is bearish and it is at support. So we would be open for buys or sells, and that would depend too on the ranges that we get on the lower time frames, correct?
Yep. Yeah, like there's a reason like these don't work out. It's because they're right at support. So they don't work out too well.
Versus if we got like the 4 hour candle to close below the support, then maybe we would wait for range 2 buys unless the daily was showing something else, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that was kind of like Asian session. I mean, yeah, London session. So you had like these 1 hour candles closing, and then remember, everything's probability too, right? So just because you close at the bottom doesn't mean you can't drive down. It's just more times than not, you're not going to drive down, right? But look at here. So here we closed right at resistance levels, but we still pushed up. So everything is probability. You just want to make decisions based off of what happens most times versus what's going to happen sometimes. Maverick in the house. Maverick and Lele woke up, so we should have some volume coming in.
Oh, we definitely do. Now.
8 seconds, 8 seconds. Can we close below? All right, here comes the news. All right, yeah, just push down, no top wick. Let's take a look. $51.5, so pretty much same numbers. So no change here. No change. Lot of sloppy price action here. Nothing too clean right now. Nothing too clean at all.
Yeah, man, this also, you know, this is how you know too whether or not you're being patient or disciplined when you have a day like today where you've just been consolidating, or 2 days like this where you've just been consolidating and you haven't taken a trade. Right? That's just a way to know that, yo, you're being patient, you're being disciplined, keep it up, you know.
Yeah, and then also keep in mind your daily time frame is chalked. Right? There's a reason why it's a little difficult over the last couple weeks, because look at this mess. It's not, no, we're not in a trending market on this time frame. It's just consolidating. Consolidating. Positive for the dollar. Yep. Yeah, we might come down. Once we get a closure, I like these sells. I like them. Our broke lows with no top wick.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so if you're not waiting for closure, that's your go-to, right? That's your confirmation right there with that 4-hour break in the low. So it's like an impulse entry. But that happens so quickly. First like second of the open of that candle. Yeah, that is true, Scott. Yeah, because it's a little undecided in a way. Next round of the competition, I believe that's going to be on the 16th. So I'm going to get you exact dates. Yep. Still no direction. Yeah, we're just gonna move down. Who's taking any trades today? Anybody?
I just have to.
Anybody in sells here?
Yeah, we just continue to wait now for the next best play, right? Every 30 minutes, we just wait for the next best play, whatever it may be.
In a sell, nice. Nice. 4R. Oh, okay. Spidey. Asian session? Nice. What'd you take in Asian? I didn't see anything really in Asian.
Yeah, how did you trade in Asian? That was a tough range to trade yesterday.
I was. Yeah, clubhouse vibes here later on. There should be lots of range here today, so afternoon should be pretty good as well. We've really done nothing here, you know, on the 1 hour time frame. We got here at what time? 7 a.m. So yeah, we haven't really done much here today.
Yeah, I think I might come back for the clubhouse today at 11 and do some things here.
Do it. Yeah, do it.
All right. All right, bet. So then I'll be back at 11 and I'll see you guys later. Clubhouse, see you guys later. Chat, hope you guys have a good rest of your day and I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Peace, well.
Later, John.
Peace.
Later. Damn, Zoom's stacked. I've never seen it this way for the live stream. All right. What, bro? 3 accounts? Which one? 3 accounts. Stephen B, you tight? No closure below? Damn. No closure. Belowsure. Made 50 pips in the cells. Nice, man. Nice. What was your like entry type, like reason for entry? Oh, someone said they blew his 3 accounts today? Damn. Damn, son. You got me beat. You got me beat. Just a whole lot of revenge trading. You know, just revenge trading. Same old, same old. What's the best setup type you expect in Asia session? I don't think there wasn't really much here in Asia. Yeah, there wasn't much here yesterday. Just a bunch of nothing. I don't think there was really a good entry. Are we looking for a retest? Yeah, so we're going to see what happens here. You know, this candle's pushed down quite a bit in the first couple minutes. Coming into target, cleaned up that whole range there. 4 hour broke the lows. Anticipated this happening, but we didn't get that closure we were looking for. So just got to wait now for the next bus. Let's wait for the next bus. The daily target has been tapped. We're pushing down. So we had a good read on this move down, just no like legitimate entry, right? News pretty much pushed us down here too. Mindset's completely changed. W-tills. Yeah, that's where it's at. Once the mindset changes, then it becomes very quick to learn, adapt, adjust, take mistakes, make them productive, receive like constructive criticism a little bit, and you're off to the races. Yeah, we ripped on that 4 hour low there. Goner. Just joined the clubhouse. Let's go. W, man. We'll see you in there. We'll see you in there today. We'll see you in there tonight. We'll see you for London. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I think we took 3 trades so far in the clubhouse. 3 trades. 2 winners, I think. 1 BE, if I'm not mistaken. I forget. Doji can on the 5 minutes. Oh, nice. Sold it. He sold it. Later, Alex. Have a great day. Or should I say great evening? Damn. 11 a.m. Later, bro. Later, later. All right, let me pull this chat up here. You guys got any good questions for us here today? Anything good? Anything juicy? Just said my stops. Sweetest song. Oh, order filled. That's right. Alter filled. So, oh, nice. Took a sell. Good job. What time frame am I looking at? Most likely 30 closure here. Unless the 15 closes below and then we create a pack runner deal, then I might be interested, but yeah, probably a 30-minute closure, which is in 19 minutes. Hold on one sec, chat. Okay. See you tomorrow. All right, Michael. See you tomorrow, bro. Later. I've learned that the NASDAQ has no volume during London. Yeah, look at all the volume here during New York. Damn. Mike in the building. Nah. Where you been, bro? Where you been? Holy. He's back. Can you tell us your thoughts of the book of Matthew? That's what I just started studying. Nice, man. Yeah, nice. Matthew's a gospel designed to really share that Jesus is King and Lord. You know, it's written by a Jew. It's written for the Jews. It's kind of to show that Jesus is the way. So it's more so details about what Jesus said versus some of the other gospels was more so what he did, him working, you know, more so like that. Like Mark is more so portrayed to be, it's written to the Romans, right? So it's more so to show the work of Jesus, like the doing, like it relates to the Romans because they were servants, you know, like they were, what do you call it? Servants of like the high priest and stuff. So it's kind of catered to, well, Matthew's kind of catered to the Jews. Next round, the best 20. Yeah. Yo, it's good to have you back, Mike. Yeah, Matthew's great. Great gospel. I see sell in 1 hour. Oh, nice. On which pair? Yeah, NASDAQ's all over here. Look at this. We went from here to here in a matter of less than 2 hours. Crazy. No way we close back in the range. Yo, if we close back in the range, I'm out of here. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We got a few minutes. 1 second here. 14, so the 15 just closed here. So the only way I take a sell here on the 15 is if we actually get a pack runner. So if we pop up, this 30-minute candle flips bullish and then comes back down. You'll most likely move bearish at that point. Yeah, if not, I'll wait for a 30 closure. Yeah, get out of the range. Yeah, we're gonna need a pretty steep top wick. Pretty steep top wick with the 30 still open and no top wick. Same thing with the 1 hour. There's a 85% chance, gang, that we come up and create a top wick here. So not 100%, but 85% chance that this candle here ends up getting a top wick. So whether it be on, you know, the candle itself doing it or the 15 running up here and poking its head up, some way or another, this candle is most likely going to have a top wick on it. So let's wait for that, and then we can set a sell stop potentially. Almost. Almost. Almost got it. Wick fill? Yeah, I do like this wick fill here. Yeah, I haven't set the sell stop yet. Would have really liked to see that pump up and break that high there. So that's at 30-minute, right? If it doesn't have a top wick, we never know where that can pull back from. I mean, look, it pulled all the way back from here, right? So now we've got the top wick. Now we can set the sell stop. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. So we don't want to see it keep going too much here. Hold on. Slow down. Okay. Slow down. Slow down, gold. Got knocked out of my trade. No loss though. Oh, break even? Yeah, you good. Yeah, you good. All right. So I wanted to see a slight break here. So if it's pushing up too much, what we can do is wait for a 30 closure. And if you get a 30 close outside of the range, we take the sell. If you don't, then I'm gonna get up out of here. Yeah, we'll come back later. Stop. About to take a fade on the 5. Which one, bro? Which one? Yeah, very interesting day here. Up and down here. What explains candles going back into the range? Just that the higher time frame just is undecided at the moment. So that's why you keep seeing price return right back to that range, because if you notice here, the last two 4-hour candles really haven't done much. They've all pushed up, returned to the range, pushed down, returned to the range. So they're confused. Yeah, we might have to take this to the clubhouse, because I don't think we're going to get our closure here in the next 10 minutes that we're looking for. Yeah, choppy. Yeah, I think we take this to the clubhouse. I don't really see anything happening. I'm not really interested in these buys right here at the current moment. You still got 10 minutes left for the closures. We're just literally printing side by side. We have not had anything trend whatsoever yet. So yeah, there's really nothing happening at the moment. So just got to continue to wait here today. Got to continue to wait, unfortunately. But it should pay. Your patience should pay here today. me see. Later, Billy's lost. Billy's lost. Later, brother.
With honey.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I think that's it, man. I think we'll call it a day here. There may be some moves coming up in the afternoon, but this is like watching paint dry here today during the NY sesh. You had a couple little bursts here and there with the news. That was pretty much it. You had this one move up with news, this one move down with news, and everything else just been stagnated, right? So I think we might be setting up for NFP tomorrow as well. There's a big day ahead of us, big red folder tomorrow. So just gonna hang tight here. Just be patient with price action, wait for candles to close, and yeah, if we take anything, we'll take it in the clubhouse. All right, chat. Cool. Any last minute questions, comments, concerns? Good to go. W's on the way out. All right, awesome. Well, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll wrap up this this week pretty good here, and we'll have NFP coming in. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Like and sub to the channel on the way out. It was good to be here with y'all. I'm out. Later. Peace.
I can start swing when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Get down, but I still be going in hard. Chirip, distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is to go, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it, but he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sinning is death, but he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.
Back to the business, I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them, this feel like the moment we seeking. The day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk.